This used to be a Ruler PR15 injector. Well, it still is, but this one in particular has been refurbished and upgraded by us here at Meat Packet. Everything on this injector has been fully refurbished from top to bottom, from something as complicated as the valves, bushes, and guides, to parts more common as the needles, pressure regulators, gauges, buttons, electronics. Literally all mechanical parts has been tweaked in some way to make the entire machine, well, better than what it was before. As you can see, this machine has found its home in a factory in Pretoria, South Africa, where it'll stand above the rest, resemble pristine workmanship and performance. The entire injector and all of its components are made from high-grade stainless steel, so rust is busted and out of the window, especially when working with salty brine. Injection pressure easily adjusted to satisfy your yields with the correct weight desired by you as the user of this machine. Precision engineered needles ensure that a adequate and efficient amount of fluid is released equally throughout the inside of your product. Safety for the operator is a no-brainer, of course. Ultimately, this is by far the leader of its class, outshining and outperforming its competitors, and all right here at Meat Packet.